why not do his duties in the Senate?
Yes,
Pinahiya po
because
kayo eh. Kayong naiwan ditong nag-explain sa amin.
yes, if well, it's
Hindi ba?
okay.
How do you feel
We
as
don't
a
mind.
lawyer for this person who is, I don't know where he is.
Well,
You're
we
still
feel-
defending him.
Yes, ma'am. I hope I can convince some of you, no, to keep at least an open mind here because
We want to listen to your arguments, but they
thank
don't
you.
seem
Thank you.
sound.
Give me some time,
I'm
no. No,
sorry to say. But
no, just give me
why are
some
you
time, no,
coloring it
because
with politics
no,
when
I'm
may
not, no.
kaso po?
No, no. You asked me
Okay.
a multifaceted question, so let me answer the facets one by one, no? Sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto nyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso?
ang
Sino po
goby-
ang gusto nyong tanungin namin?
ang gobyerno kasi po, this is a
We speak now to Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, one of Senator Bato's lawyers. Good evening, Attorney.
Good evening po, Mrs., Miss Pauline, and Miss Sean.
So, nasaan po ang inyong kliyente na si Senator Bato?
We have repeatedly stated very sincerely and earnestly, no, we do not know, and I think it is intentional on the part of our client, siguro po, to safeguard all of us, no, and all of his loved ones.
So, he has not gotten in touch with you since he left the Senate in the wee hours of the morning of, is it Wednesday? Thursday.
May 14.
Thursday po, parang I think the report was 2:30 a.m., which is just about 50 minutes after I left the Senate building.
He put you in an awkward position where you were, telling reporters you had just seen him and then he often left. Doesn't that, don't you question your client's actions to have put you in a spot?
Well, awkward is not the word I would use. No, I think it's just I was just not informed of his strategy, but it also shows that both of us lawyers of Senator Bato really were not into any conspiracy, no, to take him out of the reach of his accusers. But that said, we do believe that Senator Bato was well within his rights anyway, no, to go wherever he pleases, because again, we have contested the use of the term fugitive, no, because he is not in our legal interpretation.
Why isn't he? When it's very clear in the manifestation of the Solicitor General to the Supreme Court that he is evading a legitimate warrant of arrest, which is lawful by virtue of RA 9851, which preceded our signing of the Rome Statute, even if we had withdrawn from the ICC.
Mrs., for the enlightenment of everybody, including myself, we have to remember that this is a pending case before the Supreme Court, no? And when they asked for the comment of the OSG, that is precisely what it is. It is a comment. It is their position. It is not a judicial declaration of the legal status of our client. So yun po yung, kumbaga po sa kaso, kami po ay may hinain at yan po ang kanilang sagot. So katulad po ng kahit anong
Opo,
kaso.
pero ano pong sagot ninyo
Oo.
dun sa posisyon ng gobyerno na siya po ay isang fugitive? At
Yes.
bakit po hindi? Bakit sinasabi niyong hindi po siya fugitive?
Kasi po kapag tumatakbo po ang isang tao mula sa batas, kailangan po malinaw kung ano po ba yung batas na tinatakbuhan. Kung ang tinatakbuhan po niya ay local na batas, yun po, tama po, fugitive po siya. Pero pag ang tinatakbuhan niya po ay yung International Criminal Court that we do not recognize, no? And lalo na po yung arrest warrant which was not properly processed, no, within the all applicable laws, na mahaba pong usapan yan, then he cannot be a fugitive. I would like to invite you, Ma'am Ses, if I may be given a little more time. I would like to invite you to imagine a scenario where hindi na po dumadaan sa ating mga korte ang mga warrant ng international, no? Kapag nangyari po yan, kung sino na lang po yung nakaupo, pag may kalaban po sa politika, no? Kung kakasuhan dito, mahaba yung proseso sa piskalya, sa korte. Pero pag kinasuhan sa ibang korte, you just ship him out at maduduterte po yung kalaban nila. And that is exactly the evil that we're trying to avoid for the sake of the
All right,
sovereignty of our
but let me answer you also, attorney. Why
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you coloring this with politics when the case here involves the drug war victims during the time that he was PNP chief? And there is a law, RA 9851, not just because the Soljan is saying that there is, but there is a law. And
Yes.
for you to, I think the facts are being twisted here and we're being confused that this is just politics. It's really a case that he is answerable to. That's why the country had to seek the help of the ICC because wala pong recourse ang mga victims dito sa Pilipinas. But just the same, flight is guilt. Why does he have to leave the protective custody of the Senate, supposedly, to go into hiding when he was given to the discredit nga of some of his colleagues were criticized for granting that protection to him, and then he fled. How
I
do
hope
you
I
explain
can-
that?
Yes, ma'am. I hope I can convince some of you, no, to keep at least an open mind here because
We want to listen to your arguments, but they
Thank
don't
you.
seem
Thank you.
sound.
Give me some time,
I'm
no?
sorry
No.
to say, but
No,
why,
just give me
why are
some
you
time, no,
coloring it
because-
with politics?
No,
when
I'm
may
not,
kaso
no.
po?
No, no. You asked me
Okay.
a multifaceted question, so let me answer the facets one by one. No, first of all, we have inspected the journals of the RA 9851, and that is part of our comment. Nakalagay po sa journals yung pag-uusap po ng mismo mga senador. Sila po mismo, si Senator Gordon in particular, sinabi that RA 9851 is not an enforcement mechanism for the ICC. It was meant to define the crimes against humanity and other crimes to be codified here and to be tried here. Basahin niyo po. I invite you para po mabuksan po, lahat tayo, ma-enlighten tayo. Meaning, accountability will be pursued. We want that. We want that, says. But it has to be here. It has to be here because our courts are functioning and RA 9851 instructs us to do so, and including the Senate journals and the Senate deliberations. Nandun pa nga po yung mga senador na hindi ko napapangalanan na ngayon nakaupo muli. Sila po mismo, si Senator Legarda included, they all acknowledged that RA 9851 is not a surrogate arrest mechanism for the ICC. It was meant to criminalize those crimes here in the Philippines and to be tried here in the Philippines, Ma'am says. I beg you to read the Senate journals.
Okay. Attorney Bondok, let's take a look at 9851, no? Because
Yes.
ang pinakabutas, kumbaga, na nakikita ng mga ibang kritiko dyan ay
Opo.
wala nga daw mechanism. Kumbaga,
Yes.
ginawa itong RA 9851, correct me if I'm wrong,
Yes.
in preparation for our accession to the Rome Statute, right?
Tama po
And
yan.
then, pumirma tayo sa Rome Statute. Ngayon, nawala na tayo doon sa Rome Statute, I guess parang nakalimutan na nila gawaan ng parang instruction
Tama
manual,
po.
guidelines. Yun po ba ang hinahanap ninyo specifically sa Korte Suprema? At malinaw ba sa mga pleadings na naisumite ninyo na yun talaga yung hinahanap ninyo? Kasi medyo madami din, may TRO dito, may ganon. What exactly are you looking for?
You've already taken the words out of our petition, ma'am, no? Kasi ang unang daming sinasabi is since there is no enforcement mechanism para po magdala ng ating citizen sa ICC, bukas na bukas po yung korte natin na itry siya dito. Dito po siya itry. Of course, we urge our lawmakers and even the Supreme Court, pwede po sila in their rulemaking power to craft these laws on surrender as they did for extradition, no? So pwede po. And the reason why complicated yung petition is alangan naman pong hindi kami humingi ng TRO.
Walang
because all-
TRO po
because-
walang TRO. So,
Yes, but we are
The
duty
way
bound,
is
Ma'am
clear
Ses,
for him to be arrested. And if he, as a lawmaker, he should at least face the music and not go missing.
Ma'am
After
Ses,
voting, after casting his vote in the Senate, he disappears.
Ma'am Ses, I understand your passion, but it is still our
It's a
legal stand.
question po. It's a question,
And
and
even
we
our
expect more of our lawmakers. His
yes,
action is really compared to other legislators who surrendered even at the Senate, who faced the music and waited to be cleared by courts of law.
I
Can't he,
invite
can't
you,
he,
ma'am,
can't he do the same?
I invite you, ma'am, to imagine this scenario. No? For example po, just in case, i-declare po ng Supreme Court, and we are, as lawyers, we cannot do that, no? But we are just imagining na ma-declare nga na walang jurisdiction sa atin ang ICC. Pero,
Paano po
yes, but we don't
Kailan
know
po
that
yun
yet, right?
mangyayari?
Yes. No, but we don't know that yet. That because there's a difficult question of law. Because if this were settled, hindi na po hihingi ng Supreme Court ang comment ng OSG, di-decide na nila, no? Pero because nakabinbin po yung kaso na yan, let's just say the decision goes in that favor, no? In our favor. Pero nakuha po nila si Bato
In the
at dinala
meantime,
na
he
po.
goes his merry way in hiding. Why not do his duties in the Senate?
Yes,
Pinahiya po
because-
kayo eh. Kayong naiwan ditong nag-explain sa amin.
Yes, if well,
Hindi
it's
ba?
okay.
How do you
we don't-
feel
we
as
don't
a
mind.
lawyer for this person who is, I don't know where he is. You're
Well, we
still
feel-
defending him.
Well, that's the job of a lawyer, ma'am. Says, alangan naman po hindi ko siya i-defend.
Hindi,
But,
pero...
but kasi, di ba, parang, sige, tama
Para-
na kayo kung gano'n. Hindi ko naman pwedeng
kung
sabihin.
nag-aantay siya ng magandang desisyon ng korte, bakit kailangan sa in the dark?
Yeah, ma'am,
know?
because ma'am, this is the key phrase, no? Because there is a difficult question of law. This is not just a random phrase, no? This is jurisprudential, no? Because there is a difficult question of law. We all know, ma'am, bilang mga tao, bilang human beings, there are some gray areas in the law, no? Kung minsan po merong mga naa-arrest na unlawfully. Halimbawa po, yung gobyerno, isang linggo po nilang sinabi na wala pong NBI agent na mag-a-arrest kay Bato, wala silang intention. Yet, may mga pumasok doon, binugbog po yung isang sergeant at arms, nag-a-announce ng intention nila to arrest Bato. Tapos sinabi po ni Director Matibag, wala pong NBI doon, biglang meron po. So, because of this actions taken together, that's nagka-shooting pa, then there is reasonable grounds to believe on the part of my client that there might be an unlawful arrest in motion.
A
So,
shooting
meron
that
pa yung-
that actually may have been scripted by
no,
his
hindi po,
own
hindi po,
camp.
hindi po. Kung kasi po, kung scripted po yun, ibig sabihin po, kinausap nila yung NBI. Ibig sabihin po, in cahoots yung NBI para mag-drilling doon sa kabilang panig po ng Senate sa GSIS.
Anyway po, we're talking
I
about
find
the
that,
actuations of the good of Senator Bato
yes,
de la
but for
Rosa.
them to stage that shooting, that means sila po yung kinausap nila yung driver na si Oragon para magpaputok at yung mga NBI para mag-drill. I think we should be beyond that, no? Hindi po staged yon, at least not by our camp.
And attorney, has Senator Bato de la Rosa or kahit kayo po as his lawyer ever considered na mag-surrender na lang po siya sa ICC because some critics are pointing out that his actions are actually causing more harm than good. It could end up becoming unproductive, not just for him, but even for the case of former President Duterte before the ICC.
Yes, ma'am, if you were a relative, no, of Senator Bato or anyone similarly situated, no, and alam niyo po that pwede siyang ma-Duterte, no, pwede po siyang to languish in some faraway cell for under a court which we claim has no jurisdiction, no. Tapos eventually lumabas ko kunyari yung desisyon ng Supreme Court na wala ngang jurisdiction yung ICC sa atin. Ano po magagawa natin para po ibalik sila? It is an irreversible damage, no? Not just upon our client, but the sovereignty of the Philippines. ang siguro po, sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto nyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso?
ang
Sino po
goby-
ang gusto nyong tanungin namin?
Ang gobyerno kasi po, this is the people of
It
the
has been
Philippines versus
tried.
Bato.
Even the former Justice Secretary himself, Boying Remulla, who's now ombudsman, he himself said, hindi po kaya ng gobyerno. This is why the victims have gone to the ICC for justice. Hindi ho kaya dito.
Bakit po? Nung isang araw po, meron
Bakit
kaming
po akong
na-receive.
tatanungin?
Hindi, meron po kaming
This
na-receive.
is their
na
own
sa-
statement.
Yes, ma'am.
And
We
precisely
received
why
the-
there is an ICC.
Yes.
I don't
No,
know why you are framing it as a diminution
we're not part of the
of
ICC.
Philippine sovereignty.
We're not a part of the
We're
ICC,
talking
ma'am.
of the international community here. Hindi ho
Yes, we're
isang-
not part of the ICC, ma'am. I beg you to understand. We're not part of their own statute anymore. We withdrew, and that was affirmed in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case. With all due respect, ma'am
yes,
says. No?
but
And-
the
and,
crimes, may I say also,
ma'am.
attorney,
Yes,
that the crimes indicated were before we withdrew from the Rome Statute.
Yes, but there is a very long discussion about continued cooperation. But it is not part of continued cooperation, no, to serve an ICC warrant. Kasi po, let's assume arguendo na nasa Rome Statute pa tayo, ma'am, ha? Let's assume, ha? Meron pong proseso sa Article 58 saka sa Article 59 ng Rome Statute kung paano po mag-serve ng warrant. At katulad po ng lahat ng batas, di ba may batas mo, no? Kunyari RA, merong IRR, yung implementing rules. Sa
Opo,
ICC meron
alam
din
ko
po.
po
Ma'am,
yun.
sandali lang. This is very important, ma'am. Meron pong batas na Rome Statute, meron din pong regulations of the court. And in the regulations of the court, 31 number 3, nakalagay po doon kung paano mag-serve ng ICC warrant, which they did not follow. And the key phrase there is personal service. Kailangan po may personal service upon the accused, which they did not do. What did they do? They brandished it on social media and on media without serving us. Humingi po si Senator Cayetano, humingi po kami bilang legal counsel.
Because
out
po
of
your
deference to the
client,
law.
and I'm sorry, we're
We were
running
not
out of
served the
time. but-
warrant.
Lang, Attorney Jimmy, ngayon na nawawala no, si Senator Bato, meron ba kayong way mag-communicate? Because as a lawyer, I imagine medyo mahirap kung hindi nyo man lang makontakt yung inyong kliyente. Are you able to, even if you don't know where he is, are you able to communicate?
Wala po. We have had exhaustive discussions anyway before he left. No, so we have enough information para po to build up his case.
So
and
nagbilin
to answer
siya.
po.
Nagbilin.
Yeah, not naman bilin, but we had good meetings, and we finished our work with due diligence po.
Okay.
Okay, Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, thank you very much. That was Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa's legal counsel.